Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. Today we're checking out these air fryer baskets. So guys, this is what the basket looks like. It does have a handle that you can pull up for carrying and for lifting up. Nice air fryer basket. So it's a good way to keep your food organized in the basket and not mess up the other actual tray. And they work great for your basket liners as well. So we're good to go. All right, and now we wait for our delicious food to be done. All right, guys, and we are done. Crispy, healthy burger. So, time to make my fixins. So yeah, the basket worked great, guys. I do recommend you get parchment paper, or not parchment paper, but this paper is designed for air fryers, and it helps keep the mess inside. So I do recommend you guys get that as well. But works good, guys.